Tired of paying for courses you could get for free? I know that feeling. You want to learn something new, but the price tags on those online platforms add up fast. And the free stuff? It feels like it's buried, impossible to find. Well, I've done the digging for you. I'm going to show you the exact search trick that unlocks all those hidden free courses on Coursera. By the end of this, you'll be enrolling in high-quality courses without spending a single penny. So, here's the plan. First, we go to the Coursera website. Then, we click the search bar, type the word free, and hit enter. That's it. One simple move opens up everything. Let's get started. Open up your browser and head over to the Coursera homepage. It's just Coursera.com. You'll land on their main page with all the featured courses and a big search bar right at the top. Now, don't get distracted by all the shiny paid options. We're going straight for the good stuff. Go ahead and click on that search bar. This is where the magic happens. Instead of typing in a subject like data science or Python, just type the word free. All lowercase is fine. Then press enter. This is the trick I tested myself, and it works every single time. What happens next is that Coursera runs a search for anything tagged as free. You'll see a page full of results. Some will say audit only or free, but here's the thing. Not every course on this list is completely free to the finish. Some have that option to pay for a certificate, but you can still take the whole thing for free just by auditing it. We'll get to that in a moment. Right now, you've got a list. It might be a little overwhelming, so let's narrow it down. On the left side of the screen, there are filters. This is your best friend. You can filter by language, by level, and by duration. If English isn't your first language, pick the one you're most comfortable with. If you're a beginner, choose beginner. If you only have a few hours a week, pick a shorter duration. These filters help you find exactly what you can actually stick with. Once you've narrowed it down, click on a course that looks interesting. The course page will open up. Now, look for the big button that says Enroll for free. Click that. It might take you to a page asking for your payment info, but don't worry. Look closely for the option that says Audit or Full Course No Certificate. Choose that one. That's the completely free path. You get access to all the videos, the readings, and sometimes even the quizzes. You just don't get the official certificate at the end, which is totally fine if you're just here to learn. So now you know the trick. No more scrolling through pages of paid courses. Just type free in the search bar, filter it down, and audit your way to a new skill. It really is that simple. Go ahead and give it a try. You might be surprised at just how much is out there waiting for you.